In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the menu font in Elementor. This is a handy skill to have if you're looking to give your website a facelift or make your navigation bar stand out, matching the overall tone and style you're aiming for. Elementor is a powerful tool that enables you to customize a variety of features on your website without needing to dive into any complex coding. By the end of this video, you'll be able to update your menu's font to suit your preferences, enhancing both the style and functionality of your site. To begin, let's make sure we're starting right from the Elementor interface, something you'll be fairly familiar with if you've been working with this tool. First, go to your WordPress dashboard and find the page where your menu is displayed. Once you're there, click on Edit with Elementor at the top of the page. This action will take you directly into the Elementor editor mode where all the magic happens. In the Elementor editor, you need to identify the specific section or widget that contains your navigation menu. It should be easy to spot, likely at the top of your page. Hover your mouse over the menu area and click to highlight it. This allows you to access its settings and make the necessary changes to its appearance. Once you have the menu widget highlighted, head over to the left-hand panel where all the various customization options are located. You want to click on the Style tab. This is where you can modify the aesthetics of different elements within your menu, including the all-important font. In the Style section, notice the typography option. That's what we're looking to adjust. Click on it, and a panel will appear giving you control over various font settings. Here, you can select the font family you prefer from a drop-down list. You can experiment with different fonts to see which one best suits your website's style and overall theme. Keep in mind that while a decorative font might seem appealing, it should also be easy to read so that your visitors can navigate your site without any hassle. After selecting a font family, explore other typography settings such as font size, weight, and transform functions like uppercase or lowercase. These settings give you the ability to customize how your text will appear, allowing you to highlight your menu or make it more understated based on your design preferences. Play around with the options until you find the perfect combination that aligns with your vision for your website. Once you're satisfied with the changes, make sure to click the green Publish or Update button at the bottom of the Elementor panel to save your work. You definitely don't want to lose any of the adjustments you've just made. After saving, check out your website to see how the menu now looks with its updated font. And there you have it. You've just learned how to effortlessly change the menu font in Elementor, adding a custom touch to your site's appearance. Remember to get creative and don't be afraid to experiment with different styles to find the one that fits your site best.